Have you ever found yourself standing in the skincare aisle, completely overwhelmed by a wall of products filled with ingredients you can't even pronounce? You're not alone. For many of us, shopping for skincare feels less like self-care and more like trying to solve a complicated chemistry puzzle. It's almost as if you need a degree in chemistry just to figure out which moisturizer is right for you. The labels are packed with scientific jargon, and it's easy to feel lost or even a little anxious about making the wrong choice. So many products promise flawless, glowing skin, but too often, they leave us with irritation, redness, or unexpected breakouts. It's frustrating to invest time and money only to end up with results that are less than what was promised. We're constantly told that the more ingredients a product has, and the higher the price tag, the better the results will be. But what if that's not actually true? What if the secret to healthy skin is much simpler and more affordable than we've been led to believe? For centuries, people around the world cared for their skin using simple, natural ingredients, things you could find in your kitchen or garden. There were no complicated formulas or synthetic chemicals, just pure, gentle care. Today, we're often paying for fancy packaging, clever marketing, and big promises, not necessarily for products that are better for our skin. The beauty industry thrives on making us believe we need more, when sometimes less is truly more. This journey is about reclaiming control over your skincare routine, using affordable, pure ingredients you might already have at home. It's about making choices that are right for you, not just following trends. Imagine stepping away from the confusion and stress and moving toward clarity and confidence. You can simplify your routine and still achieve beautiful, healthy skin. In this series, we'll break down everything you need to know to build a simple, effective routine that works for your unique skin. No more guesswork, no more overwhelm. Get ready to discover the power of simplicity, embrace a new approach to skincare, and unlock your most radiant, confident self. Your skin is your body's largest organ, covering you from head to toe and acting as your first line of defense against the outside world. It's more than just a surface. It's a living, breathing barrier that protects you every day. And just like a sponge, it absorbs much of what you put on it, whether that's nourishing oils or harsh chemicals. Every product you use becomes part of your skin's environment. Think about it. Would you willingly eat harsh chemicals or artificial additives? Most of us are careful about what we put in our bodies. So why feed those same questionable ingredients to your skin, day after day? Your skin deserves the same care and attention as your diet. Natural skincare is about nourishing your body from the outside in, using pure, wholesome ingredients like honey, oats, and almond oil, things you might even find in your kitchen. These natural ingredients are packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and fatty acids that your skin instantly recognizes and knows how to use for repair and renewal. In contrast, synthetic chemicals can disrupt your skin's delicate balance, leading to irritation, redness, and breakouts that are hard to manage. Nature offers gentle, effective solutions. Chamomile soothes and calms sensitive skin, reducing redness and inflammation. Tea tree oil is a natural fighter against blemishes, while rosehip oil helps fade scars and even out your complexion over time. These ingredients work in harmony with your skin, supporting its natural processes instead of overwhelming it with unknown substances. Choosing natural is about more than just products. It's a commitment to self-care, mindfulness, and respect for your body's needs. It's about simplifying your routine, listening to your skin's signals, and giving it the gentle care it truly craves, without unnecessary extras. With natural skincare, you become the creator of your own beauty rituals, customizing treatments that work for you and your unique skin. The result? A healthy, radiant glow that comes from within. No mystery formulas, just the power of nature and your own self-care. Your morning routine should be simple, protective, and a moment of self-care. Think of it as a gentle ritual to wake up your skin and prepare it for the day ahead. Begin by cleansing your face. For many, a gentle splash of cool water is all you need to remove any light oils or sweat from overnight. This helps refresh your skin without stripping away its natural barrier. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, consider using raw honey as a natural cleanser. Massage a small amount onto damp skin, letting its antibacterial properties work for a minute before rinsing. It's soothing, gentle, and leaves your skin feeling soft. Next, tone your skin with rose water. This step hydrates, calms, and helps balance your skin's pH, making it ready to absorb the next products. You can apply rose water with a cotton pad for a refreshing sweep, or spritz it directly onto your face for a dewy, soothing start to your morning. Moisturizing is essential. Choose a facial oil that suits your skin type. Avocado or almond oil for dry skin, jojoba or grapeseed for oily skin, and argan oil for combination. Just a few drops are enough to nourish and protect. Gently press the oil into your damp skin to lock in hydration. This helps your skin stay supple and radiant throughout the day. The final crucial step is sunscreen. Always choose a mineral-based, store-bought sunscreen with zinc oxide or titanium dioxide. These ingredients provide broad-spectrum protection and are gentle on sensitive skin. Avoid making your own sunscreen at home. Natural oils and butters can't shield you from harmful UV rays. Trust only tested, regulated products for this step. Apply sunscreen generously to your face, neck, and any exposed skin. Don't forget your ears and the back of your hands, especially if you'll be outside. This simple routine refreshes, hydrates, and shields your skin, leaving you feeling confident and ready to face the day. Remember, you don't need a dozen products. Consistency is key. Less is more, and your skin will thank you for it. Embrace your natural glow, and let your healthy, luminous skin shine through every morning. Evening is for deep cleaning and repair. Start with an oil cleanse. Massage jojoba or almond oil onto dry skin to dissolve makeup and impurities. Wipe away with a warm, damp washcloth. Follow with a gentle oat or almond flour cleanser to remove residue. Now, treat specific concerns. Dab diluted tea tree oil on blemishes, rosehip oil on dark spots, or aloe vera gel for soothing hydration. Finish with a richer oil if needed. Avocado or rosehip are great for overnight repair. Press a few drops into your skin. This mindful ritual cleanses and calms, preparing you for rest. Listen to your skin and adjust as needed. Simplicity and care make all the difference. Let your skin breathe and rejuvenate overnight. Wake up refreshed. Once a week, give your skin a spa-like boost. Gently exfoliate with a paste of finely ground oats and water or yogurt, no harsh scrubs. Follow with a mask tailored to your needs, clay for oily skin, avocado and honey for dry, or yogurt and turmeric for brightening. Clay draws out impurities. Avocado and honey deeply nourish. Yogurt and turmeric brighten and even tone. Apply, relax, and rinse after 10-20 minutes. Your skin will feel soft, hydrated, and renewed. Rotate masks based on what your skin needs that week. This ritual revives both skin and spirit. Enjoy the process. Self-care is part of the glow. Keep it gentle and simple. Your skin will thank you. Cultures worldwide have long used nature's gifts for beautiful skin. In Asia, rice water brightens and soothes. Just save and ferment the water from rinsing rice, then use as a toner. Africa's shea butter, rich in vitamins and fatty acids, deeply moisturizes and heals dry skin. Aloe vera, used from Egypt to the Americas, hydrates, calms, and speeds healing. These traditions prove effective skincare doesn't need to be complicated or expensive. Nature's pantry is full of wisdom, passed down for generations. Try these global secrets for simple, powerful results. Beauty is universal, and often it's natural. Not all natural ingredients are safe for your face. Skip lemon juice. It's too acidic and can worsen dark spots. Avoid baking soda. Its alkalinity damages your skin's protective barrier. Coconut oil can clog pores for many. Opt for jojoba or grapeseed instead. For DIY products with water, use immediately or add a natural preservative. Bacteria can grow fast. Oil-only blends don't need preservatives, but vitamin E helps keep oils fresh. Safety first. Choose wisely and patch test everything. Simple ingredients work because they mimic what your skin already knows. Oils like jojoba resemble your skin's natural sebum, balancing moisture. Humectants like honey and aloe vera draw water into your skin, keeping it plump and hydrated. Ground oats gently exfoliate and contain natural cleansers called saponins. Yogurt's lactic acid dissolves dead skin cells for a brighter look. Antioxidants in green tea, rosehip, and avocado protect against aging and damage. These natural tools help your skin defend, renew, and glow. Science and nature, working together for your best skin. The right routine starts with knowing your skin type. Oily skin, cleanse with honey, tone with witch hazel, moisturize with grapeseed or jojoba oil. Use a weekly clay mask. Dry skin, splash water, tone with rose water, moisturize with almond or avocado oil. Try an avocado honey mask weekly. Combination skin. Honey cleanse, rosewater toner, jojoba or argan oil. Spot treat with clay or use a balancing yogurt. Turmeric mask. Sensitive skin, rinse with cool water, skip harsh toners, use jojoba or sunflower oil. Soothe with an oat chamomile mask. Always patch test new ingredients. Adjust as needed, your skin's needs can change. Keep it simple and gentle. Your best routine is the one that works for you. The most important ingredients are patience and consistency. Skin takes time to adjust. Don't expect overnight miracles. Stick to a simple routine daily. Small, steady steps build lasting results. Start with one change at a time. Maybe swap your cleanser for oil cleansing. Notice how your skin responds before adding more. Patch test every new ingredient. Celebrate small victories. Softer skin, a natural glow. This journey is about self-love, not perfection. Nourish your skin with good food, water, sleep, and gentle care. You have the power to create healthy, radiant skin. Share your favorite natural ingredient in the comments. For persistent issues, consult a dermatologist. If you love natural and homemade beauty tips, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more radiant skin secrets and DIY beauty routines. Join our community and glow naturally. See you in the next video.